So if you see a beautiful image online and you want to generate the same image of yourself, this is what you do. Download the image, then open ChatGPT and upload the image. And then ask ChatGPT to write a prompt. Write a prompt to generate this same image. So here's the prompt. So you copy the prompt and then hand over to Gemini, Google Gemini. Then go to tools, then create images, and then load your real image. Then when your image is uploaded, paste your prompt, then let's see the result. And that's it. So you see the result. It's perfect.